Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making a beautiful butterfly sleeve, or you can call it a circled sleeve. Now I'll use this fabric for the tutorial. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video. Now I'll be folding this fabric into 4 equal parts. In making this beautiful butterfly sleeve, you either cut it equal or you make the one at the down part shorter while the one at the front side longer. What did I mean? Now, if you want to cut the circle, see how I place this now? I'm having here 10.5 inches and this is 12 inches. So I have difference of 1.5 inches. Or why I wanted it this way is because you know that we have the armhole side. If you measure the length from the armhole down part to the length of the sleeve, it is shorter compared to from the shoulder to the sleeve length. So now, if I make it equal, you either divide it and make the armhole to come lower to the down part. So why I wanted it this way, because if you make it everything to be equal, after sewing it, the down part will be longer. It will not rhyme with the same length at the upper side. I'll use this measurement here, 10.5 by 12 inches. Now the circumference of my round sleeve is 9 inches. I will then determine the radius I'll be using for the circle or for the armhole. Now, if I use 2 inches now, I want it in a way that it will have a kind of, it will be pleated. I want to make it to be more full, so I will use 3 inches for my radius. Now, I will trace it round. So by the time I measure it, okay, I have 4.5 inches. So into 4 places, you know how many inches it will become. So I'm okay with this. Now I will measure the length of my sleeve. Now what I have here is 9 inches. This will be the upper side, while this area will be the lower side. So I will have to run it round. I will join this point to this point. I have 9 inches here, so I'll still measure 9 inches on these parts. Now I'll join it to this point. What I have here is 7. all the sides are equal. Now the radius I used here is 2.5, making it 10 inches round. So what I'll do now is to reduce it by 1.5 inches so that this side will be bigger while this side will be. I'll check where exactly I want the design to be. Okay, I want this side to be at the front, or this side. I'll determine where exactly I want to be at the front. This part should be at the front while this part at the back. Now I will turn it to the wrong side, then I'll mark extra 1.5 inches to connect to this circle here. Or you can go ahead, before cutting, you can go ahead and mark it to be lower, but this is the simplest way for you not to be confused. This 1.5 here is the center, this is the middle. Look at the middle point here. These are another points. That's the folding. These are the lines I use for the folding. Now from this line, I will mark 1.5 inches. This line here, I will connect it to this place and connect it to this place. So from this circular part, I just have to bring it lower. This is just a simple method for you not to be cracking your brain much. So you see, I'll bring it lower to this point. I will now cut it out. From this point, I will now carefully trace it down to those lines. So by the time I trace it, this is how it will be. Now let's measure it. At the upper part here, I'm having 8 inches, while at the lower part, I'm having 6.5 inches. That is, this is the upper side, this is the lower side. That is the front and the back. This is the front of the sleeve, while this is the back. The back, I mean, is behind my arm like this. This is the front side, this is the back. So this side will come to the back like this, while this side will be at the front. So guys, I hope you understand this video very well. Now what I'll do now is to put a notch at this front point and at this down point. After placing it on my dress, I will show you how it looks. I hope this video is helpful. Give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video, and share it to your friends. Bye till I see you in my next video.